What's an overhead crane? What's its definition, types, and components? That's what we are going to talk about today. What's an overhead crane? Simply, overhead crane is a machine or piece of lifting equipment that allows you to lift and move heavy loads from one location to another in a precise manner. There is no one-size-fits-all solution to defining an overhead crane, as each overhead crane is carefully designed and engineered for a specific purpose or application to fit business material handling needs. Overhead cranes can be designed and made in all kinds of configurations, and the different components can be used or engineered to improve its capacity and performances. Some of the most popular reasons for using an overhead crane are as follows: loading or unloading loads from a truck, moving loads around a facility more efficiently than manpower does, flipping or pulling dies in and out of stamping machine at manufacturing facility, feeding raw material into a machine at manufacturing facility, moving pieces or parts down an assembly line in a controlled way, moving containers around a shipyard or rail yard. There are two main reasons why a company would like to install an overhead crane or a series of overhead cranes in their facility. First of all, improve efficiency. Overhead cranes are more efficient to lift and move materials and can work up to 2 to 3 times faster. Think about how a manufacturer, mill, or warehouse can streamline their processes and procedures by using an overhead crane to automate the lifting, maneuvering, and unloading of loads at their facility. Secondly, ensure safety. Cranes can be used to lift and move materials in extreme environments and can handle corrosive and dangerous materials like hot metal, chemicals, and heavy loads. A workstation or